Hi everybody, today we are going to learn how to brand a product, and here with me is a bottle. It's a water bottle. You can use it for juice or anything, even a beverage. We are going to see how branding is done using Illustrator. First of all, we are going to draw this, to construct it using Illustrator. It's in 3D. Anything in 3D shows that all sides can be seen or visible, right? So let's get started. So we have a new page, a fresh page here, as you all see. Now this bottle, any shape always has a line of symmetry, and that line of symmetry cuts across or in between and divides the shape into two. So when we are beginning, we are going to first make a line. You may do without a line or do with a line. Let's first construct that line of symmetry that can just make this shape into two, right? We have a line tool. That's the line segment tool. I hope you can all see. So when I draw that line, it will give me that definite line of symmetry. Well, the middle of where our object will be divided into two, right? Now you may not see it clearly here, but when I zoom in and out, you see that line. It's a little bit faint, so that I don't want it to overpower the work that we are going to do. Looking at this lid, it's white in color, but since the background is white, we can give it some cream color so that it brings out the shape the way we want it. Okay. So we are going to construct. First of all, we have the lid, and you can see its shape. We are going to use a pen tool to draw this lid, and beginning from this line, I think you can all see, looking at it, it has this top which is in this shape. Hope I'm getting it well. I'm trying to come up with a lid. That's the cover. I think you can all follow the one I'm trying to come up with the shape of the lid alone. We're doing just half of it. So as you can see, this is just half of the lid. We will definitely finish it up while you keep following the process. So this is what we have so far as our lid. Now this is just half the shape of the whole lid. Now let's look at the container side of it, the container bit of it, this blue one. Let's construct it as well. We'll go back to our pen tool, begin like this. It is somehow curved here, as you may see. We draw that curve. Pull it all the way down. Again, draw a curve right here at the bottom. and join. Now this is it. We have the shape of the bottle already here with us on the screen. I think when I zoom in, you will be able to see what I'm trying to talk about. This is the lid or the cover, and this is the bottom part, the container. Now this color here is kind of brownish. We won't mind the color a lot because of course white is a color which will get lost within the white background. So we may choose well, let's first take the 3D shape of this. Having drawn this stroke, we will go to the effect. As you can see, go to 3D and revolve. So after revolving, we will have the lid come out that way. You press OK. Yeah. We can as well go to our anyway, here we can even change the color. Since it's too much of grayish, we can come and choose the color options. Choose a lighter color that's not so much dark. You'll see that our lid will get into the color that we want. It can be slightly white, but not so much white. I think that white is enough. That white is basic. Yeah, I thought it wouldn't work on a white background, but it has come out well. So let's look at the container side of it. The lower part, it's blue. We are going to choose a blue color, just matches with the container, and this is the blue, if I can see it very well. So we will also go here to the effect and try to revolve it in 3D. So we'll come up with something like that. Now we have two different objects, the lower part and the lid. So we can come on the lid and bring it towards us. We do that by right clicking, arrange, and bring to front. Now that we have the lid on top of the container or base, we can just pull this up to assume that it's now fitting on the lid. So precisely this bottle is almost the same as the one that we are trying to construct. Well, this is just the bit of it. We can as well try to come up with a branding itself. Now that having done this bottle, there is a way we can try to brand it. How can we do that? Let's just use the same process, or let's just Ctrl Z, that is redoing and redoing, and go back to the steps. Not so far away, but we are just dealing with this bottle. Let's first give it a color that we need, that's blue. Now in the process, we are going to try to add a word. We can use the word beverages. Let me type it here, beverages. We are going to give this word a white bold color. Let's give it Arial. Arial is a nice font. Beverages. We can give it white. We normally use symbols, and these symbols are got from the window section. So we're gonna drag this word. Well, you can't see it because it's white. Let's make it a little bit creamish. Okay, let's put it right here in the symbols. Press OK. Now, as we try to revolve this container, rather the bottle, we will have to go to Effect, 3D Revolve, and we will map this artwork for the word beverages. That's called mapping. So right here we can't see anything, but as we continue to choose the side, I think you can see the red lines showing where the word is going to be mapped. So let's choose the side of the bottle that we want. Continue. From here we can see. Now we keep on moving till we get to the right side, and this is it. We are going to map our word here. So I think you can see the word symbol. Let's look for the word we have taken it. New symbol 1. This is it, beverages. We are going to make it a little bit wider. As you see, I'm going to move it to the center to get my point. Let me make it a bit smaller. So there we go. Then I can press OK. Okay, I'm done. In this case, I'm going to either push this container at the back or click on the lid and bring it at the front. As you remember, arrange, bring to front. So we'll just pull this down a little bit. Yeah, so we no longer need this word, and as you delete it, we no longer need this line of symmetry. We may leave it or we may delete it, and we are all done. We are all set. So there we go. We have this bottle. We have it done here in Illustrator. This is what we call branding, making a 3D shape using Illustrator. Thank you for watching me. Join me next time. See you then.